Example 3, convert 2.50 inches to millimeters. The bridge between customary and English measures and metric measures is either inches to centimeters or yards to meters. Those are the two places they've got a bridge between the two gaps that are pretty normal. There's also miles to kilometer and feet to meters on this page, but the ones I typically use are the yards to meters and the inches to centimeters. But 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. That's an exact measurement there, so there's an equal sign. Sometimes you'll see a wavy equal sign, that means it's about that much. This is exactly that much, so it's kind of a nice little measurement that they give us. You'll see the miles to kilometers has a little wavy equal, so it's a little bit less accurate. And then also a centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Because again, I want to go from inches to millimeters. This will get me to centimeters, then I need to get from centimeters to millimeters, so I need 2 converters to do that. And again, I'm converting 2.50 inches. How many sig figs is 2.50 inches? 2, right? Nope. Try again.
3.
3.
Because zero's at the end.
0 is, why is 0 significant in this
Because
case?
it's at the end.
Okay. There's a decimal point, it happens at the very end of a decimal progression, right? So once the decimal point happens, any 0 that doesn't have to happen is significant. So 2.5 and 2.50 represent the same amount. They want the second decimal place. They said that's important, so we're going to put that 0 in there, so that's why it's significant. So this has 3 sig figs, so we want to round our final answer to 3 sig figs. We want to convert from inches to centimeters first, so inches goes on bottom, centimeters goes on top, and 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Inch on top, inch on bottom cancel. And then I want to go from centimeters to millimeters. I want to get rid of centimeters, so centimeters on bottom for cancellation purposes, 1 on top, 1 on bottom. I want to change to millimeters, and 1 of these equals 10 of those. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Centimeter cancels centimeters. So to get the answer, I'm going to do 2.50 times 2.54 times 10. 2.5 times 2.54 times 10. I get 63.5 millimeters. And notice 3 sig figs in our original measure, 3 sig figs in our answer, so that is the answer that we can go with. If this just said 2.5 instead of 2.50, now we would have rounded it to 64 millimeters, right? Because that only has 2 sig figs, we need to round 63.5 to 2 sig figs. All right, we've got the same answer because 2.5 and 2.50 are equivalent. Again, it had 3, so we're going to go with that one.